Welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you something very important. We know that Service Canada has been closed for months, but now they have started their gradual reopening. So in front of you, as you can see, I have opened Service Canada website. So it clearly says gradual opening of Service Canada centers. Our priority is health safety of all Canadians while maintaining service to the public. Service Canada begins the gradual and safe reopening of in-person locations across the country. Please continue to access our program services online. Means if you can access anything online, or if you have requests, you can fill up service request form. So recently when I applied passport for somebody, I also filled this. I also went through this process. So we'll go read the full notice, but before that let's start with the notice. So now Service Canada officers will be handling applications for social insurance number, SIN number, employment insurance, Canada pension plan, old age security benefit, passport for essential travel. This definitely I am aware of, passport for essential travel. You can still receive personalized online support for this service. Submit a request. Okay. It's entirely online through SIN online portal. Call volumes are high, so definitely it's difficult to get them. I remember a few days back, somebody was trying to call and it took around 1 hour 50 minutes to speak to an agent. You can imagine how big it is. Find out if your local Service Canada center is open. Type your postal address or postal code. So I'm not gonna put my postal code, sorry, but I'm gonna put a postal code that I am aware of. So Scarborough, because I have visited Scarborough many times. Yeah, 15 kilometers I have written. These are the Service Canada centers. So let's see the first one, Gerrard Square. But it's not clear just by clicking on that if it is open or not. Let me check the Scarborough office. Scarborough. Okay, so here it says, due to physical distancing, space is limited. Please make request for an appointment by filling service request form. We'll call you back within 2 business days. Do not come to a Service Canada center if you have symptoms. Available online at. So it seems it is open because they have not written like the previous one we opened. There we saw it was closed until further notice. So it is open Monday to Friday from 8:30 to 4. Upcoming holiday closures they have provided. Shortest waiting time. Services also they have provided other information, but these are like general of other services offered. Okay, so this is a really good piece of information. So if you are visiting anything, you can always go through this and find out what exactly it is. That is really gonna help you out in this situation. Okay, but as of now they're not accepting any biometrics because we checked front, but hopefully that reopens soon. A lot of people need to go through it, although they have made the announcement that for temporary residence permit they have put it on hold, but for permanent it is still required. So hopefully it works out soon. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything comes in mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.